Today we're making Cacio Pepe. This is going to be a very fast recipe. It's going to be awesome, delicious, and I'll walk you all the way through this complex yet simple recipe. So buckle up and stay tuned.
I'm going to be making Cacio Pepe. My wife has been bothering me. I'm telling you, like, just bothering me to make this again. I made it a few months ago for the first time, and I actually nailed it after many months of like researching how to make this dish. And it's not too difficult, but it is very easy to ruin it. First thing you want, some high quality noodles. So I've got some bucatini here. These are thicker than your normal spaghetti noodles, and it's from a better brand than if you just go with basic brand spaghetti noodles. You don't want these. You can just throw them out, you know, use it as a weapon if someone breaks into your house or something like that. These are the kind of ones you want. So pay a little extra dollars. You can find these kind of noodles at a specialty store or in the higher end type of areas within the aisles of your grocer. If you're in the Pittsburgh area, head over to Pittsburgh Macaroni Company or Pennsylvania Macaroni Company. Great place to go to. Always recommend it. You can always go there. And yeah, you want some Pecorino Romano. You want to go ahead and put this through the grater yourself. You don't want this pre-grated. You want it in a block. Otherwise, it's not gonna emulsify right. So, without further ado, people, let's make this shit. Stay tuned.
All right, we're gonna start off by bringing a pot of water to a boil. But in the meantime, we're gonna start grating our Pecorino Romano cheese. So you really want fresh Pecorino Romano here. You don't want pre-shredded, pre-grated or cheese, whatever. You wanna use your own. So into that pot, we're gonna go ahead and start cooking our noodles. We want them to get to an al dente point. It's very essential that they are al dente and not fully cooked. And yes, heavily salt your pasta water before cooking the noodles. In a pan, we're going to start basically toasting our freshly ground black pepper. And then we're going to check to make sure the noodles are nice and al dente. They're right there. So with those toasted peppercorns, we're going to go ahead and start adding in our noodles. And this is a careful song and dance between pasta water and our grated cheese. After ladling in some of our pasta water, we don't want to use too much, but just enough to start creating the sauce. We're going to add in our grated cheese. So slowly start adding it and then very vigorously just whisk, like mix it. And then I like to also take it off the heat and then back down on the heat. And I slowly add the cheese to get the right creamy texture and avoid any lumps or stringiness. There are many other options to making this. Some people use a bain-marie method. Some people use a blender method. But I have found this more traditional method to be a lot easier for me. So it always depends on the individual. But, you know, a few tries and you'll definitely nail it. But we're almost there. We're looking to get this super creamy. We're not adding any heavy whipping cream. It's just the pasta water and the cheese. That's it. And yeah, we're right about there. And we're just about ready to plate, people. Look at all that creaminess at the bottom of the pan. Into a bowl, we're going to go ahead and start adding our pasta. And by the way, I heat the dish before I serve this. Always heat it in the microwave, like 30 seconds, 1 minute. You want it on a hot plate and eat this super fast. No diddly-dallying around. Eat it really fast. You can garnish it with some extra peppercorns that you've already freshly ground, and then some more cheese on top, because who loves more cheese? Everyone loves more cheese. And we are done, people. Look at that. Super easy.
All right, and we're done. And I gotta say, it smells amazing. And the thing with this is, like, you have to eat it really fast because the noodles do absorb the sauce, but it is very creamy still. So when you make this, you'll have the luxury of having it with all the creamy goodness. So go ahead and try this. Damn good. That was worth it. I'm so glad my wife has been bugging me on this one. This is so damn good. You gotta try it. And let me know what recipes you would like me to make in the future in the comments below. What you think about this one, if you made it, how it came out. And please don't forget to share this video to other people that you know that might be interested. Subscribe to the channel if you like what I'm doing here. Like, you know, all that good stuff. And yeah, I'm out. I'm gonna eat this. And cheers.
Bye.